If you need to upload bigger files to your website, one of the most common fixes is increasing the maximum upload file size in CPanel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it on Namecheap, step by step, so you can raise your upload limit quickly and avoid frustrating file size errors. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Namecheap and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Hosting List section and click it. This is where all of your active hosting plans will appear. Next, find the hosting plan you want to manage and click Go to CPanel. That will take you into your hosting control panel, where you can change important PHP settings. Inside CPanel, scroll until you find the section labeled Exclusive for Namecheap customers. This area includes special tools provided by Namecheap, and the one we need here is Select PHP Version. Click on Select PHP Version to open the PHP settings page. Now look for the Options tab and click it. This is where you can adjust key PHP configuration values for your hosting account. The setting we want to change first is upload_max_file size. This controls the maximum size of a single file that can be uploaded through your website. Find upload_max_file size in the list and increase it to the file size you want. For example, if you want to allow larger uploads, raise it to a value that matches your needs. After that, find post_max_size. This setting determines the maximum total size of posted data, including file uploads. Make sure post_max_size is set to the same value as upload_max_file size or even higher. If this value is too low, your uploads may still fail, even if upload_max_file size is increased. Next, find memory_limit. This one is also important because your server needs enough memory to process larger uploads. Set memory_limit higher than post_max_size so your hosting environment has enough resources to handle the file upload properly. Once you've adjusted all three settings, take a moment to double-check everything. Upload_max_file size should be increased to your desired limit. Post_max_size should be the same or higher, and memory_limit should be higher than post_max_size. In many cases, the change applies right away, but sometimes you may need to wait a few minutes or refresh your site settings before testing it. At this point, try uploading your file again and see if the error is gone. And that's it. You've now increased the maximum upload file size in CPanel on Namecheap. This is a simple change, but it can make a huge difference if you work with larger images, videos, backups, or other files on your website. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.